Here's a look at my Jackery Explorer 1000 and a demonstration of it powering two different heaters, including a mainstays 3-in-1 personal ceramic heater that's 400 watts, and a Solio personal electric ceramic heater that's 250 watts. First, let's take a look at the Jackery. The Jackery 1000 is a portable generator or battery-powered pack. It has a solid and sturdy design, and some of the features, it has a flashlight over here, display right here, which shows the battery indicator, and also the input and output wattage. This powers the AC outlets, and this powers the DC outlets, including the cigarette lighter. First, let's try the 250 watt heater. And it works nicely, giving us some good heat. So with the Jackery, you should get about 4 hours of heat from this heater, and if you use it intermittently, like every half hour on and half hour off, it can last longer. Now let's try the 400 watt heater. On this heater, there's a couple different settings. There's 2 heat settings and 2 fan settings. And that gives off some nice heat too. So with this heat and the Jackery, you should get about 2.5 hours of constant use. And just for fun, since the combined wattage of both heaters is under 1,000, let's see if the Jackery can power both heaters at the same time. So the main reason I got the Jackery is for some peace of mind during power outages, and I'm planning on using it to power my Wi-Fi router, laptop, and TV. And it's also nice to know that it can power some smaller space heaters for some emergency heat during the winter.